Hi, Stefan Swartling here. The website Sam Mobile has just received a huge tip about this coming Samsung Galaxy S4. They have got their hands on a photo that looks like the real deal. And what we can see on that photo is that the bezel around the phone is much smaller and there is no home button. So probably there will be on-screen buttons instead of the home button. So that will be the first for the Galaxy S series. But personally I think the bezel where the home button usually is too big to not having a button. So hopefully the on-screen buttons will be in that bezel instead of on the screen, because then we have more screen real estate when using the phone. It looks really interesting, this phone, and no specs is unveiled more than what the rumors have already said. The phone will have an Exynos quad-core CPU clocked at 2 GHz. It will have a 2 GB of RAM memory and a 4.99-inch Super AMOLED Full HD display, 1080 by 1920 resolution, 30 megapixel rear-facing camera and a 2 megapixel front-facing camera. And it will run on Android 4.2.1 out of the box. So this will be a really great phone, Samsung flagship phone. It will be interesting to see when we will see this for real. I don't think it will be on CES, maybe on Mobile World Congress, but I don't think that either. An interesting phone. Okay, bye.